How to fix cellular data not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26.01. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After the updating, go back to home screen and refresh phone, and you will check your cellular data is working. So if it not working, so swipe down, open control center. So turn on airplane mode 1 to 3 times. Turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. After turn on, turn off airplane mode 1 to 3 times, you will check your cellular data is work properly. So if it not working, so click the power button and volume down button at the time. So power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your cellular data is working properly. So if it not working, so you will check your mobile data connection is work properly. So your mobile data work properly. So still cellular data is not working. So go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all setting. Enter phone passcode. After you will see reset all setting. Click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the restarting, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So that's how you can fix cellular data not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.